Imagine floating thousands of feet above the earth, wind rushing past, clouds drifting like curtains, and below you, two hot air balloons locked in a quiet, graceful chase. This painting isn't just a landscape, it's a story told from the sky. What makes this moment so compelling is the perspective. You're not beside the balloons, you're above them, tilted at an angle that feels just a little unstable, on purpose. That slight disorientation pulls you into the action. The wind bends the balloons, birds spiral through thermals, and clouds slice across the frame. Every element is working together to tell a story of motion, scale, and atmosphere. When you shift the angle of your viewpoint, you shift the emotion of the entire piece. A simple tilt can turn a peaceful flight into a dynamic chase. Now look past the balloons for a moment. The world below is doing a lot of heavy lifting. A river snakes through the land. Roads carve patterns across fields. Tiny farms and distant textures shrink into the horizon. All of this quietly tells your eye, this world is enormous. Even the size difference between the balloons reinforces that sense of distance. One close, one far, and the layered clouds, they frame the scene like natural borders, guiding your attention without you even noticing. Overlap, size, and placement are some of the most powerful tools you have when you want your art to feel expansive. With so much happening in an image, how do you make sure the viewer knows where to look? This composition uses the classic rule of thirds, those invisible grid intersections that naturally attract the eye. The focal point sits right where contrast is highest. Color and value do the work, pulling your attention to the exact moment intended for you to see. If your own artwork ever feels busy, it might be because nothing is clearly claiming that focal point. Anchor your contrast to one of those thirds, their intersections, and suddenly the whole piece will feel intentional. Finally, notice how the composition keeps you engaged. The clouds aren't random, they're actually leading lines. Their curves and edges subtly point toward the balloons. Even the shapes of the balloons themselves pull you inward toward the areas of sharp detail and contrast. Nothing is accidental. Everything is gently steering your attention without shouting for it. Great composition isn't something you fix at the end, it's something you plan early. When every element works together, the viewer doesn't just see your art, they experience it.